Mopping the kitchen is a messy chore. Worse yet, moving the mop hurts your arms and your back, and it can take forever to mop the dirt and germs from your floor. Well, now you can spin away those dirty germs and bacteria the fast and easy way with the brand new Floor Police Motorized Mop. The lightweight and cordless spin mop that does all the hard work for you. 2 spinning mop heads do double duty, scrubbing hundreds of times every minute, while the special reusable microfiber pads have thousands of tiny cleaning brushes that loosen, lift, and lock in dirt. It's a powerhouse cleaning system. Plus, the spinning pads create a self-propelling motion. So just like a self-propelled lawnmower pushes forward for you, so does the motorized mop. Look, you can move it along with just one finger.
As a mom, I love that I can now easily clean and sanitize my floors. This mop literally floats along. I just love it.
This new technology is a faster, easier way to clean your floors. You can use just water on the powerful microfiber pads, or spray on disinfectant and keep your entire home sanitized and safe.
This thing floats across the floor, picking up everything in its path. It cleans better and faster than any mop that I've ever owned.
The Floor Police Motorized Mop is cordless and features a powerful electric motor and rechargeable lithium battery that delivers 90 minutes of runtime, so you can easily go from room to room to room, all on one charge. The swivel head easily cleans in and around obstacles and gets deep under furniture. Use it in vertical position to scrub steps or those dirty, dusty baseboards, never missing a spot. So stop wasting money on disposable pads, because Floor Police pads are machine washable and reusable. Already know you want to let the Floor Police Motorized Mop clean for you? Then why wait? Call or go online now to get the brand new Floor Police Motorized Mop with 2 microfiber pads today for an amazing value. But wait, call now and get 2 free scouring pads and 2 free polishing pads. Plus, stay tuned for a very special offer, only available during this show. Now get ready to discover how much faster and easier it can be to clean and sanitize your floors. Here are your hosts, Joe Fowler and Michelle Carrick.
Hi, everybody. Hello, Michelle. Hey, look at this. Look.
Joe, what in the world is up with these balloons?
This is the lightweight, brand new Floor Police Motorized Mop. It's so lightweight, it just floats in.
Wow, it's definitely lightweight. Okay, but can it deep clean?
Oh, deep clean, scrub, polish.
Wait,
look,
what?
I got a clear surface here with a mirror, right?
Uh-huh.
So you can see the magic for yourself. There are 2 scrubbing discs.
Look at it go.
I know. Well, they're spinning 100+ times a minute. Look at that. This is double duty spinning action.
Now that's some serious cleaning power, my friend.
I got more cleaning
All right,
power for
bring
you.
it.
Ready? You see this mess?
Yeah, gross.
Okay, I'm going to put the Floor Police right on top. I'm not going to move it around.
Okay.
The pads locking in all that dirt. And look at this. Instant cleaning results.
My gosh. And the best part is the Floor Police did all the work.
It sure did. Hey, let's clean some tile.
All right.
All right, now, when I see a mess like this, the first thing I do is I take my favorite liquid cleaner,
Okay.
like I've got here, and I spray the pads, a little bit on both.
Right.
So now I've got my favorite liquid cleaner and my favorite mop.
We're ready to go.
This is like the 1-2 punch of clean. Look at this.
What?
Oh my gosh. Okay, the first thing I gotta tell you, Michelle, it's so lightweight.
Oh my gosh, look at that. It's literally moving for you.
Counter-rotating discs, move it along. It's like it's self-propelled. This is so easy I can use one hand. Heck, you know what? 2 fingers.
Oh
That's
my
how
gosh,
easy it is.
Look at the way it just glides across that tile.
I know. Let me show you something.
Yeah.
When you're finished, you look at the pads and you say to yourself,
Ooh.
That's right. But just because it's dirty doesn't mean it's done.
Okay.
It'll go on. Let's do some hardwood flooring
All
with
right,
it. Okay?
let's do it. Now, you're sure it's safe on hardwood?
Let me tell you what isn't safe for hardwood. Wet mops, right?
Yep.
Water on hardwood floor is not a good thing. But I don't have that problem with the Floor Police. Look at this. It's so unique, Michelle. The pads are not only cleaning, you can see that, it's beautiful, but also drying as I go along.
Oh, my
And here's the bonus. It's buffing the surface. Look at the shine.
Oh my gosh, it's so easy.
Wow. Clean, just like that.
I love it.
Now I see more messes here.
I do too, I'm kind of scared.
Ketchup in the kitchen. Let's clean it up.
Oh.
Why not? Come on, it's fast, it's easy. Kitchen, clean. It's a little tougher. Maple syrup that's sticky and dry.
Look at that swivel.
Oh, my swivel or the?
Yours.
Mine, okay. Here we got some wine. Have you ever spilled wine?
Plenty.
Of course you have. Well, it's gone already. Look at this greasy mess on the kitchen floor. Watch. I've got 2 revolving pads spinning hundreds of times a minute. That's how you clean that mess
Totally
up.
gone.
Speaking of messes, look at this bathroom floor mess.
Oh, gross.
And look at it go away. We have thousands of cleaning fibers that loosen, lift, and lock away the mess just like that. Oh,
Woo.
and I put disinfectant on these pads, so I'm sanitizing too.
Good. And you know what? These days, it's always wise to sanitize.
It is.
Yes.
Toothpaste. I've been known to chip toothpaste right off the bathroom
What?
floor. Oh, yeah.
Look at that.
It's happened.
Oh,
Scuff
no.
marks.
No, I'd have to get on my hands and knees to get rid of that.
They're already clean.
Look
You don't
at-
have to do a thing.
They're gone.
Now, paw prints, footprints, fingerprints.
Look at that.
Any kind of prints. Gone. Clean, clean, clean. All 8 of the messes.
Beautiful.
That's how it works.
You know what makes this mop better than anything else out there is that it saves me time. It's lightweight and I can clean quickly and move from room to room. It pretty much just does the work for me. I love that I don't need to buy replacement pads. I can just throw mine in the wash. And over time, this saves me a ton of money. It's just a great mop.
So cool.
I love this. We want everyone to see up close the power of the Floor Police Motorized Mop. So here's what we've done. We have a clear floor
Yep.
and a floor cam right over
look at
there.
that. Hey, everyone.
Hi there. Okay, Michelle, now you have the sponge mop.
I do.
I have the motorized mop. And we both have to clean this dried, stuck-on gravy. You ready?
I'll give it a shot.
Let's go.
All right. Oh.
Well,
Well, Joe, this isn't cleaning at all.
I've got 2 pads spinning hundreds of times a minute. I've got thousands of microfibers that loosen, lock in, and lift the dirt.
Okay, mine's not doing that. It's just pushing the mess around.
Okay, look at this. Stop right there. Stop.
Okay.
Come on.
Oh my gosh. That is such a deep clean. I've never seen it.
The difference is clear. Now you see why you need a motorized mop. And you need help. Can I do your side?
Hey,
There
go
we
ahead. Thank you.
I'm going to clean your mess fast and easy. And speaking of mess,
Yes.
I got a question for you.
Okay.
Who makes the biggest mess in the home?
I'm assuming it's you, Joe.
Okay, guilty. But other than me, it's
Yeah.
the kids. Kids,
Oh, the
get up here.
kids! Here they
Come
go.
on up.
Oh, no.
Yes. Okay, they've got crayons. They've got markers. They're having fun.
Oh,
While they're
no.
having fun,
Oh, no.
I'll show you how to clean the pads, okay?
Okay,
Here's
sounds
what you do.
good.
I'll replace them this way. Watch. 1,
Okay.
2. Simple as that.
Easy.
Oh, mark that right there. Look at that
Whoa.
mark. Okay, you put the other ones on.
Super easy.
They can go right in the washing machine. You can use these hundreds and hundreds of times.
Oh, I love that they're reusable because it's saving me money, and guess what? It's helping the environment.
I can't see through the clear
Oh, no,
glass
I
anymore.
can't
You have to-
either.
Okay, kids, thank you. Thank you for having
Oh,
fun. Be
bye,
careful going
kids.
down. Be careful. Look at this.
Bye, kids. You know, Joe, I've cleaned up tons of messes like this, and it takes so much scrubbing.
Well, then, why don't you have the honors?
Oh, well, thank you. I thought you'd never ask.
What do you think?
Wow. That's so fast and easy. I just love that it hovers.
Well, it's that self-propelled action.
I'm just guiding it, and those microfiber spinning pads, they make all the difference. That took no time at all. It's clean in seconds.
The Floor Police Motorized Mop is going to make life so much easier for all those moms who have little mess makers around the house. Sorry, kids.
This isn't just a mop, it's an all-around cleaning machine. I can use it in my kitchen, I use it on the tile in our great room, I even use it in the shower. It's so light and versatile, it almost does the work all by itself. You just gotta stand behind it and let it do its thing. I love it. I do.
Folks, imagine letting the Floor Police Motorized Mop with brand new technology do the mopping for you. I've never seen a faster or easier way to deep clean and polish your floors. It's time to drop the old mop. Wave the wipes goodbye. Save time, save effort, save money with the Floor Police Motorized Mop. Here's how to order yours.
Mopping the kitchen is a messy chore. It can take forever to mop the dirt and germs from your floor. Well, now you can spin away those dirty germs and bacteria with Floor Police, the lightweight and cordless power spin mop that scrubs away messes the fast and easy way. 2 spinning mop heads scrub hundreds of times every minute, while the special reusable microfiber pads have thousands of tiny cleaning brushes that loosen, lift, and lock in dirt, making it easy to clean and sanitize. Plus, the spinning pads create a self-propelling motion that pushes forward for you. Look, you can move it along with just one finger. The secret to its cleaning speed is the powerful electric motor and rechargeable lithium battery that has 90 minutes of runtime, so you can easily go from room to room cleaning your entire home.
My floors are cleaner than ever, and I'm done faster than ever. It's a win-win.
Just add any disinfectant, then watch it float across the floor, dissolving and disinfecting everything in its path. Even hands-free, this mop can tackle the tough jobs like these markers. Incredible! And this tile coated with black sticky grime is no match for Floor Police. Not a single spot left behind. Other mops just push the mess around, but Floor Police spin cleans and sanitizes up to 10 times faster. It cleans all your hard surfaces, from ceramic and marble tile to hardwood, laminate, vinyl floors, and so much more. And unlike big wet mops that can ruin hardwood floors, Floor Police uses less water, so it cleans and shines at the same time. The swivel head could easily clean in and around obstacles and get deep under furniture, even vertical surfaces on steps or those dirty, dusty baseboards, never missing a spot. So stop wasting money on disposable pads, because Floor Police pads are machine washable and reusable.